Hey everybody, Tim Carey here. As many of you know, I like beer and bagels and bullseye glass. And if you like these things, I would encourage you to take a class that I've been teaching this last year called A Painterly Portrait in Glass. It involves a video that I made with Justin Monroe of Holy Frit and Bullseye Glass, and we've been teaching it since May of last year. We've reached over 1,000 students, and I want to show you some of the work here. So we have a new session that you can register right now, and there's 2 Zoom sessions, one watch party and then one where I critique your work. The video you get to keep, and there's also a really great class guide that Bullseye put together. So if you want to register for this class, you can go to the link in my bio on Instagram or to the comments here in Facebook, or you can also go to the Bullseye website.